Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DaVinci Resolve Editor Keyboard. This powerful tool is engineered to dramatically accelerate your editing process, offering a tactile and intuitive experience. With its solid metal construction and professional jog shuttle, you gain precise control over your footage. It features dozens of dedicated keys, allowing you to execute commands with a single press, making your workflow significantly more efficient and enjoyable. Get ready to transform your editing speed. Let's explore the key features and layout of this remarkable keyboard. The large, integrated jog shuttle is central to its design, giving you incredibly precise control for scrubbing through footage or navigating your timeline with ease. You'll find dedicated buttons for common tasks like applying a cut, a dissolve, or a smooth cut transition, saving you valuable seconds. The versatile search dial further enhances your ability to quickly find clips and fine-tune your edits. To truly optimize your workflow, embrace the keyboard's intelligent functions. The source tape button is a game changer, allowing you to browse all your media as if it were one long tape, making clip selection incredibly fast. Use the Smart Insert and Append Edit buttons to place clips precisely where you need them, often with just one press. Mastering the in and out point buttons will enable you to select and trim footage with unparalleled speed and accuracy. For advanced users, this keyboard offers even more. Dive into multicam editing, where dedicated buttons allow you to switch camera angles seamlessly and in real time. Remember, you can also customize many of the keyboard's shortcuts directly within DaVinci Resolve to perfectly match your personal editing style. Consistent practice is key. The more you use it, the more intuitive it becomes, helping you achieve professional results with incredible speed and precision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.